Hello friends, I'm Dr. Deepika Doshi, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist practicing in Mumbai. Today we will be discussing the most common OPD problem, that is polycystic ovarian syndrome. The polycystic ovarian syndrome can present in various ways depending on the age of the patient. But the most common symptoms what the patient presents with is irregular menstrual period, which includes absent periods or periods that occur infrequently or periods which occur too frequently. They can be heavy periods also. PCOS is the most commonest cause of female infertility. The patient can present with obesity. As many as 4 in 5 women with PCOS are obese. They can present with excessive hair growth on face, chest, abdomen and upper thighs. This condition is also known as hirsutism. Some patients may present with severe acne which usually does not respond to the usual treatments. Now, what are the causes of PCOS? The cause is usually unknown, but it is related to many factors working together such as insulin resistance, increased level of hormone called androgens and an irregular cycle. What is insulin resistance? It is a condition in which your body cell do not respond to the effect of a hormone which is known as insulin in our body. This leads to increased level of blood glucose in the body. How does increased level of androgen, that is a male hormone, affect your body? It does not allow the ovary to produce egg each month, a process which is known as ovulation and hence leads to infertility. Higher androgen level also causes unwanted hair growth and acne. What are the long-term health risks of PCOS? Generally, it affects all the areas of the body, increases the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Is there a treatment for PCOS? Yes, treatment are there available for PCOS. The treatment are dependent according to the symptoms and other health problems and whether the patient wants to get pregnant or not. Combined hormonal pills are used in patients who do not wish to get pregnant. These pills regulate the menstrual cycle and reduce acne and hirsutism. Now, what is the effect of weight loss on PCOS? Women who are overweight, weight loss alone may regulate the menstrual cycle. Even a small loss of weight may be helpful in regularizing your periods. It is also seen that weight loss improves your cholesterol and insulin levels and helps to relieve symptoms such as excessive hair growth and acne. We use insulin sensitizing drugs which we use in diabetes for the treatment of PCOS. These drugs helps the body respond to insulin. In women with PCOS, they help decrease the androgen levels and help in ovulation and regularizing your menstrual cycles. Now, the most common question which the patients ask is, Doctor, what can be done to increase the chances of pregnancy? To achieve a pregnancy, a successful ovulation is the first step. So, in case of who are overweight, weight loss may accomplish this goal. There are medications which may be used to cause ovulation. Sometimes in severe PCOS, if all the treatment options fail, surgery might also have to be done on ovary. So please remember, lifestyle modification and weight reduction is the first line treatment of PCOS. Stay healthy, stay safe.